Welcome to qnawire.
To determine the largest annual simple interest rate that Smith would be willing to pay for the loan, we can break down the problem into a couple steps. The first, the original invoice amount is $1,000. A 2.5% discount is available to pay within 7 days. The discount amount would be 1,000 times 2.5%, which is 0.025 as a decimal, and that is equal to 25. So the payment, if Smith takes a discount, would be the 1,000 minus the $25 discount, which would be $975. So Smith decides to borrow $975 to pay the invoice within 7 days. The goal is to find the largest annual simple interest rate Smith's willing to pay for this loan to take advantage of the discount. The simple interest is P times R times T, where P is the principal amount, which is $975 in this case. R is the annual interest rate, and T is the time in years. If Smith does not take the discount, he would pay the full invoice amount of $1,000 in 30 days. So the effective interest cost for the 23-day period, that would be the difference between the 30 days and 7 days, would be the 25 saved by paying early. So we want to determine the equivalent annual simple interest rate that corresponds to saving $25 over a 23-day period. So our principal is going to be $975. Our interest, we're saving $25, and our time is going to be 23 days. Again, that 23 is the 30, assuming a 30-day month. Well, the 30 days that's actually given, subtract the 7 that we need to be within. And so that's 23. And so that's our time, 23 out of 365, because the time is in years. So we have, 25 divided by 975. If you divide 975 to both sides, and then you can multiply both sides of the equation by the reciprocal. So R equals 25 over 975 times the reciprocal 365 over 23. Now I'll put that into a calculator, and that comes out to 0.4069, or about 40.69% interest.